Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. I'm Jack and this is Conrad.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
First one for 2022. And this year we're starting it off with a bang. The one technology we thought was possible, but probably 5 years out, was printing zirconia. We're glad to report that we're testing a printable zirconia right now.
Yeah, we kind of want to give you guys a 50,000 foot view, a little bit of teaser of what we have going on. It's with a company called Aeon, and they'll be releasing this in Chicago midwinter this year.
So obviously with new technologies comes challenges, but also great new opportunities.
Yeah.
What do you think is the most exciting part of what we've seen?
Well, the one that it exists. This is pretty exciting, and it goes to show us what the future is going to hold. So far we've seen great results. Fit has been great. The print quality has been exceptional, very clean. And it's been very nice to see this technology emerging.
And apparently this first generation zirconia, or printable zirconia, it's got 900 plus megapascals worth of shear strength, which
Yes.
makes it definitely a functional material for us.
Absolutely.
What do you see the challenges with this new technology, even though it's very early and probably unfair to even talk about that?
Right, so currently they're at about
yeah,
28% translucency, but right now under development they have products ready to release that are in the 40% translucency range. So as we progress, this Gen 1 material is going to get better and better, and the aesthetics are going to get better and better.
It's very exciting times. Kind of scary a little bit thinking that technologies yesterday was just a wish list item, today is a reality.
Absolutely.
So this is truly exciting stuff. Stay tuned, we'll obviously keep you up to date with how we progress through this new and very exciting technology.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Absolute Talks.
See you soon.